Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. In this video, I'm going to be showing you around the night market here in Chaweng, across from the Central Festival in Koh Samui. And as you can see, it's sunset right now on Chaweng Lake. We just got here and it's really busy tonight, which is very encouraging. So stick around till the end and I'm going to show you one of my favorite pad thai spots on the entire island here at the night market. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Here we are at the night market in Chaweng, right across from the Central Festival. It's one of my favorite places to come on the weekends, and it's really busy tonight. I'm quite surprised. There's a lot of people here. I'm just going to be showing you around.
Questi sono quelli, ti ricordi quando l'ho fatta per il pound?
Swadikap. Should we get some mango sticky rice? What do you think? Yeah, let's get one. So as you can see, they have a lot of food stalls set up here, serving everything, including fried bugs, which is a delicacy in Thailand. And I've never tried them, and they look disgusting, but a lot of people eat them here. So, yeah. But we're gonna skip the fried bugs and continue moving forward. I'm looking for my favorite pad thai place in Koh Samui. Got sushi here. A little bit of something for everyone at the night market in Chaweng. I'm trying to find my girlfriend. She's around here somewhere. This right here is my favorite pad thai spot on the entire island. It's called Big Trees Restaurant. The original location is actually in Lamai, where I live, but they also have a setup right here at the night market. So you can get a chicken, pork, or I think beef pad thai, and she'll cook it up for you right here. Hello, Swadikap. Only 50 baht for a chicken pad thai. It's one of the best deals on the island. I'm gonna get one chicken pad thai. Yes. Spicy. Nit noi. Yes. Swadikap.
Spicy for Thai people or spicy for
Spicy for Thai people.
Really?
Yeah. Well, no. Farang. Farang spicy. Yes. So as you can see, no, my girlfriend's here somewhere.
You eat now or take away?
Eat here. I'll eat here. So as you can see, she'll cook it up for you right here on this big wok. There she is. Say hi, babe. Okay, which pad thai are you gonna get? Oh, you already got something. Oh yeah, this is the one that you wanted, right? Okay. I like this shirt she's wearing.
พอโปรโมท
Oh, yeah. One of the best pad thais in Koh Samui. Yes. Yeah, that's fine. Foreigner spicy. Not too spicy. And then you can also get drinks right here. Water, soft drinks for 25 baht. And you can just sit right here on these plastic chairs. They've got a table set up right here. It's good. Aloy. United States, the U.S. I'm from the U.S., but I live in Thailand 2 years now. In Samui. Based in Samui. Here we go. Just cooking up the chicken. And then... My name? Digital Nomad Ventures. She's asking for the name of my YouTube channel. Yeah, you can watch it when it's live. Looks like I'll have another subscriber. Here it is. This is my favorite pad thai in Koh Samui. And it looks really, really good, as you can see. And I'm gonna mix it up. Hopefully it's not too spicy. Here we go. We also got some mango sticky rice for dessert. So essentially it's just mango, sticky rice, and coconut milk, which you add on top. It's a delicious dessert, and it was recently made famous by a rapper named Millie at the Coachella Music Festival in the United States. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Highly recommend getting some when you come to Thailand. Yum!
รับตัวตัวไว้สักอันหนึ่งครับเอาไว้อ่านนะฮะเมื่อผู้บริโภคนะฮะเอาไว้เก็บไว้ถึงไม่ได้อ่านตอนนี้ไปที่บ้านนะครับอย่าทิ้งนะครับ
Oh yeah.
นะครับ
How is it?
ไปที่บ้านแล้วอ่านแล้วท่านจะรู้นะครับตอนนี้ท่านอาจจะยังไม่เข้าใจ
Looks delicious.
แต่ท่านไปอ่านแล้วเนี่ยเดี๋ยวท่านก็จะเข้าใจนะครับแล้วท่านจะเสียดายที่ว่าไม่ได้สอบผ่านนะครับนะจังหวะแบบนี้ไม่ใช่
เท่าไหร่ครับ
วันละ7 บาทค่ะ
Okay. Thank you. Have a go. Sunset's coming up. Probably gonna watch sunset later on the lake.
วันหน้าท่านไม่รู้นะครับเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยก็มาตรงนี้ก่อนนะครับท่านเดือดร้อนนะครับเรื่องใดนะฮะมาเลยหรือมาสอบถามก็ได้ถ้าท่านมี
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.